Good morning. How are you today? Good morning. How are you today? I am fine, thank you. And you? I am fine, thank you. And you? I arrive at the office at 9. I arrive at the office at 9. I turn on my computer every morning. I turn on my computer every morning. Can I have a cup of coffee, please? Can I have a cup of coffee, please? The meeting starts at 10 o'clock. The meeting starts at 10 o'clock. Please sit down and make yourself comfortable. Please sit down and make yourself comfortable. Can you help me with this report? Can you help me with this report? Sure, I will help you right away. Sure. I will help you right away. I send emails to my team every day. I send emails to my team every day. Excuse me, where is the printer? Excuse me, where is the printer? It is next to the door on the left. It is next to the door on the left. I have a meeting with my boss today. I have a meeting with my boss today. Let me check my schedule for today. Let me check my schedule for today. I eat lunch at my desk sometimes. I eat lunch at my desk sometimes. Can we talk after the meeting, please? Can we talk after the meeting, please? I finish work at 6 in the evening. I finish work at 6 in the evening. I save my work before I close my computer. I save my work before I close my computer. Have a good evening. See you tomorrow. Have a good evening. See you tomorrow. Thank you for your help today. Thank you for your help today.